Hi guys, this is Ashley and this is my co-star. And this is our vlog. So for today's video, this is our for this video, it's currently the second day of the second week. So let's say the 2 is the lucky number for this video because get it? You don't. So we currently had our science. We don't like her talaga, pero like he's a good teacher, diba? And then we're going to have our MAPE teacher, but he's currently not here pa. So what else? So our class is still very noisy. I don't know why. I don't know why the officers are not doing anything. I'm an officer. I'm a vice president. But like, I don't want to seem like a bida-bida. Like, are you serious? I cannot comprehend. Is this Tagalog? Yes. So yeah, this is our class.
Ito na ako ngayon.
So, for today's video, anong gagawin namin? Oh, guys. Simon. Char, Simon. Simon. I cannot comprehend. So, like, it's very noisy. Like, I cannot comprehend. Is this Tagalog? Like, what? Okay, guys. Yung crush ko, I don't know if crush ko pa siya. Like, you know, is this Tagalog? Pero nandito siya, guys. May crush siya. Ito crush ko, guys. So, is this Tagalog? It's very I'm gonna be a bida. Doing. So, our class is very noisy still, and we don't know what to topic in our video. Ano ba? A day in our life as a SPFL student. So, for today's video, kanina ba ako for today's video, and I cannot comprehend, is this Tagalog? Like, what? Okay, Char. Okay, so we're gonna roam around the room. We're gonna roam around the room and let you meet our classmates. Bye. Yeah. So this is my fellow classmate.
So, dito si Ashley.
So, can you introduce yourselves?
Hola a todos, me llamo Shelly Senson. Vamos, 14 años turning 40 in this August 24.
Yeah. So,
Naipupus mo yan?
private YouTube vlog. So, this is our soon-to-be muse rated na. Char. Kasi hindi Char. Go!
Hi, my name is Ria Rizal Situbog. Yun lang.
Yeah, yun lang daw. Kasi, like, ano daw, expensive yung beauty niya. Hindi makaya ng channel ko. Yeah.
Asha na mo, Ash?
Hindi sumapos na page. So, this is our and this is our president. Our precious.
Maraming blush na sa harap.
Yeah, ring light.
Wow! Stop it!
Okay, I'm a vice president. I should really get my manners. Sige. Get my manners into shape. I don't know. Like, is this Tagalog? Yeah. Like, is this Tagalog? Like, look at my face. It's so haggard, Char. I'm supposed to be nonchalant for today's video, but like, I cannot comprehend. Is this Tagalog? Like what? So guys, I don't know what are we going to topic here. So again, this is our classroom. So, wala na kaming mapapag-usapan pa. Wow, Tagalog! Like, I cannot comprehend. Is this Tagalog? Char.
Baka pwede mo topic kayo.
Yes. 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 Like, I cannot comprehend. Is this Tagalog? Char. So, we're going to show you our very expensive, beautiful face for this video. Kasi wala kaming mapapag... Ay, we don't have anything to show except our beautiful faces that is made by our one and true
Fit face, fit.
yeah. This face is made by the Almighty God and we are His creation. Like what? Like I cannot comprehend. This is the Galilee. What? Char. Like okay. Wait man, di mo yan nabi. Ay, kasatin. So we had an earthquake drill kanina. And it was so hot. Like, we won't even die from a brick falling in our heads. We will die of the scorching hot weather. Yeah, scorching. Uy, okay. Did you know, like, we had to sit there for like 5 minutes or more? Like, when? Like, I cannot comprehend. Is this Tagalog?
Guys, Ben Caliente.
Yeah, nakakainis na. Like, kibir, makapisi mo din doon. What 2 minutes na? More than 5 minutes na hindi ko. Like, we were sunog.
Kapag bumot sa pag-green. Sa bulan.
Oh, like, is that Poland or what? Like, is this Poland nga ako doon? I don't know what Poland means, but I have seen it. Like, is this Tagalog? Like, is this Tagalog? Okay, let's feature our day. I don't want to be a bida-bida, pero like, I'm a vice president din. Pero like, I cannot comprehend if... Oh, God! Bro, I cannot comprehend without the permission of my president. Oh, diba? Sure. Dapat mag-write noisy. I don't like it.
Secretary. Secret lang.
Yeah. Ay, naman. Ano naman to siya? So, like, is this Tagalog? Like, oh my gosh! Yung go up guys, like, when you look at from this perspective, como akal igual lang kami del antes. Pero like, this perspective is ganun din. So, Okay,
Okay, guys.
our teacher is here. Bye.